How to fix WhatsApp not showing contact on your device. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video I'll be showing you how you can fix WhatsApp not showing contact name on your device. In order to fix it, first thing first, make sure that the device is connected to an internet service, and then to begin with, check your internet connection. First of all, if you are unable to see the contact name on your WhatsApp, then what you can do is you can go ahead and refresh your WhatsApp application. For that, click on the chat icon. After that, go ahead and tap on three dot icon, click on refresh. Now this might take a while, so you need to log out of your WhatsApp or maybe exit from the WhatsApp application, and then you can just simply restart your device. After restarting your device, that might be able to solve the issue. Apart from that, if you're still unable to fix it, you can also check for a permission. Go ahead and long press on your WhatsApp, click on the app info icon. Next page, click on permission. As soon as you click on permission, here you need to allow phone. Make sure that you've allowed all of these. While you're on this page, you can also go ahead and click on clear cache. After that, it's going to delete all of your unnecessary data, and that might also be able to fix the issue. Apart from that, you're still unable to do it, then you can check for an update. For that, you need to go to your Play Store and check whether you need to update the application or not, and then click on the open button after updating. So that might be able to fix it. Despite of doing all of these, you can simply uninstall your WhatsApp application and then you can reinstall it once again. And these were the steps on how you can fix WhatsApp not showing contact name on a device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.